Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable heat press machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Cricut heat press machine, which is a mini, portable option perfect for smaller heat transfer projects. With a compact 7-inch by 5-inch heating plate, this machine provides fast and even heating, making it ideal for customizing smaller items like hats, tote bags, socks, and masks. Its lightweight design and portability make it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and beginners alike. The Cricut heat press stands out for its safety features, including an automatic shut-off mechanism that powers down the machine after 10 minutes of inactivity. It also comes with a protective insulated base to prevent accidental burns. The package includes thoughtful extras like transfer paper and a storage cloth bag, which is perfect for practicing and storing your creations. Despite its small size, the machine delivers consistent results and supports a wide range of HTV and sublimation materials. However, the small heating area may feel limiting for larger projects, and its lightweight design might not offer the pressure needed for thicker materials. Still, for its intended use, personalized gifts, and smaller DIY projects, it's a reliable and safe option. If portability and ease of use are your priorities, the Cricut heat press is a solid entry-level choice. At rank 4, we have the AST&T heat press machine, which offers a larger 12-inch by 10-inch heating plate. This makes it ideal for bigger projects such as jackets, sweatshirts, and banners. Its lightweight build at just 8.6 pounds adds portability, making it suitable for non-commercial, home-based crafting. It's compatible with a wide range of heat transfer vinyl, including glitter, metallic, and sublimation paper, giving users plenty of creative options. The AST&T heat press machine is engineered with safety in mind. It features a 3-layer heat-resistant construction that insulates the external casing, so even after long use, the handle remains cool to the touch. The built-in anti-overheating mechanism shuts off the machine if temperatures exceed safe levels, ensuring peace of mind during extended crafting sessions. Additionally, the machine heats evenly and quickly thanks to its advanced pressure-regulating springs and double-tube design. The included canvas bag and transfer vinyl sheets are thoughtful additions to get users started right away. On the downside, the lack of app integration and smart controls might make it feel less advanced compared to other models on this list. Still, its larger size and reliable heating performance make it a great choice for users tackling medium to large projects. If you're looking for a safe and versatile heat press for home use, the AST&T heat press machine is worth considering. Coming in at rank number 3, we have the AST&T Smart Heat Press Machine, which blends functionality with modern technology. Featuring a 12-inch by 10-inch ceramic-coated heat plate, this machine is perfect for larger projects like sweatshirts and blankets. What sets it apart is its built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to control time and temperature settings via the AST&T Heat app. The app offers precise settings based on the material and object, making heat transfers more intuitive and error-free. Its advanced design includes adjustable manual controls for users who prefer hands-on operation. The machine heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring professional results that last through multiple washes. Safety is also a priority with this model, as it meets certifications like UL, CSA, and FCC standards. The ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to handle, despite its larger size. Plus, AST&T's 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support provide added peace of mind. While the app integration is impressive, users who are less tech-savvy may prefer simpler models. Additionally, its price point, though not listed here, might be higher due to its advanced features. But for tech enthusiasts and crafters looking for precision, the AST&T Smart Heat Press Machine is a fantastic choice. At rank number 2, the HTV Heat Press Machine offers a balanced 10-inch by 10-inch heating plate, making it suitable for medium-sized projects like t-shirts and tote bags. Its standout feature is the pressure display function, which provides real-time feedback for more accurate heat transfers. This is particularly helpful for beginners who may struggle with applying consistent pressure. The machine heats up quickly and evenly, saving users up to 60 seconds compared to conventional irons. Safety is a strong focus here, with an insulated base, auto shutoff function, and cool touch handles to prevent burns. The dual-function design allows the machine to serve as both a heat press and a regular iron, giving users more versatility. HTV-RONT also includes detailed instructions and offers lifetime customer service, ensuring users have support whenever needed. The HTV-RONT heat press machine is perfect for hobbyists and small business owners who want a versatile, user-friendly solution. However, its larger size and slightly heavier weight may not appeal to users looking for ultra-portable options. Overall, it's a fantastic value for its versatility and advanced features, earning its spot near the top of the list. Taking the #1 spot is the Cricut EasyPress 3 heat press machine, a compact powerhouse designed for crafting enthusiasts. With a 9-inch by 9-inch heating plate, it's ideal for personal projects like t-shirts, tote bags, and aprons. The included 15-inch by 12-inch press mat adds convenience, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. What sets this machine apart is its smart integration with the Cricut Heat app, which allows users to send precise time and temperature settings directly from their phone. The Cricut EasyPress 3 combines the speed of a heat press with the ease of an iron, making it incredibly user-friendly. It heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, providing professional-grade results that withstand repeated washes. Safety certifications like UL and CSA ensure reliable performance, while the ergonomic design and cool touch handles enhance usability. Despite its lightweight build, the machine delivers consistent pressure, making it suitable for a wide range of materials. Priced at $99, the Cricut EasyPress 3 offers exceptional value for its features. Its compact size may limit its use for larger projects, but for personal crafting needs, it's the perfect blend of affordability and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this heat press machine is a fantastic investment for your creative endeavors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.